Buenas tardes po. Hoy 11:46 de la mañana para eu pas isto uma vídeo para demonstrar minha plantas. I have made this video to demonstrate my plants, which are leek onions or scallions, but I have used coco peat and coco fiber for this mix with soil with this effort, because since my resources is very little, because I am poor, I am in poverty, that's why I am using these materials, and I think they are very effective. So I will transfer this to my little garden there in Powerpill, and see what happens in a few weeks. And I will put this exclusively for leek onions, so I could sell some of it to the market. So good afternoon, and Botard, and see you later.